Cashews. An introduction. Cashews. Just hearing the name makes your mouth water, right? These small, creamy and crunchy nuts are loved by everyone. This tasty nut is as beneficial for health as it is fun to eat. Cashews contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which are very important for our body. People have been eating it for centuries, and even today, it is enjoyed all over the world. No matter what dish it is in, the taste of cashew nuts works its magic everywhere. The cashew tree is actually from Brazil. This tree is known for its unique fruits, which contain the cashew nut. Portuguese traders brought it to India in the 16th century. They saw that India's weather and soil were perfect for cashew trees. The Indian climate was perfect for cashews, and in no time it became one of the special crops here. Indian farmers adopted it and mastered the technique of growing it. Today, India is the largest producer and seller of cashews. In processing plants here, the work of sorting, peeling, and packing cashews is done on a large scale. States like Goa, Kerala, and Karnataka are at the forefront of cashew cultivation. The climate and soil of these states are very favorable for cashew trees. Cashew is not just a nut, but an important part of India's economy. The country earns crores of rupees every year from the export of cashew nuts. Apart from this, the cashew industry also provides employment to lakhs of people. Cashew is used not only as a snack, but also in many types of dishes. Products like cashew butter, cashew milk, and cashew-based sauces are also very popular. Cashews are eaten roasted, salted, or added to sweets. Its taste is amazing in every form. Gifting cashews on festivals and special occasions has also become a tradition. They are not only delicious, but also healthy. No matter what form it is in, everyone likes the taste and usefulness of cashew. So next time you eat cashews, remember how big a story this small nut holds within itself. From Brazil to India, the journey of cashews. This journey is not only geographical, but also cultural and historical. This journey of cashew is centuries old, and the story behind it is very interesting. The journey of cashew is as interesting as its taste. These nuts are not only delicious to eat, but their nutrients are also very important. Cashews are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, which are very beneficial for our health. It started from the dense forests of South America, where it has been eaten for centuries. The tribal people here used to collect cashews from cashew trees and make them a part of their food. Cashew trees grew naturally in these forests, and their fruits were an important food source for the tribal people. Portuguese traders brought cashews from Brazil to Goa in the 16th century. These traders also brought with them cashew tree seeds, which they planted in the fertile land of Goa. The Portuguese traders saw that the climate and soil of Goa were very favorable for cashew trees. The climate of Goa was perfect for cashews, and gradually it spread throughout India. The farmers of Goa adopted cashew cultivation and started growing it as their main crop. Gradually, cashew cultivation spread from Goa to other parts of India as well. The land of India embraced cashew, and today, this country is the largest producer of cashew. Cashew is cultivated on a large scale in India, and the farmers here have become experts in growing it. Cashew cultivation not only provides economic benefits to the farmers, but also contributes significantly to the country's economy. States like Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra are at the forefront of cashew cultivation. Cashew is cultivated on a large scale in these states, and the farmers here have become experts in growing it. Cashew cultivation not only provides economic benefits to the farmers, but also contributes significantly to the country's economy. The journey of cashew started from the forests of Brazil and reached the farms of India, and today it has made its mark all over the world. Cashew is exported from India to many countries of the world, and it has become one of the major export items among Indian agricultural products. This journey of cashew is not only geographical, but also cultural and historical. This journey of cashew is centuries old, and the story behind it is very interesting. A treasure of nutrition. Cashews. Cashews are packed with nutrients. It contains lots of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats present in cashews are very good for our body. They keep cholesterol under control and reduce the risk of heart attacks. A storehouse of vitamins and minerals. Cashews are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin E, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, zinc, copper, and iron. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from damage caused by free radicals. Magnesium makes our bones strong, while potassium keeps blood pressure under control. Section 5. Healthy for the heart. It is very important to take care of your heart health. Cashews are very beneficial for the heart. It contains many nutrients that improve heart health. The monounsaturated fats present in it reduce bad cholesterol, that is, LDL. These fats keep the arteries of the heart clean and increase good cholesterol, HDL. HDL cholesterol keeps the arteries of the heart healthy. It is also helpful in keeping blood pressure under control, which reduces stress on the heart. Regular consumption of cashews keeps blood pressure normal, which reduces the stress on the heart. Magnesium and potassium present in cashews keep the heartbeat regular. Eating cashews daily reduces the risk of heart diseases. It prevents plaque buildup in the arteries of the heart, and the heart remains healthy. Antioxidants present in cashews protect the heart from free radicals, which keeps the heart healthy. Section 6. Helpful in weight control. Did you know that cashews can also help in weight control? Yes, cashews are high in fiber and protein, which keeps you feeling full for longer. It also speeds up metabolism, which burns calories faster. But yes, cashews also contain calories, so they should not be eaten in excess. Section 7. Beneficial for bones and teeth. Cashews contain minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and copper, which make bones and teeth strong. Magnesium helps in transporting calcium to the bones, while phosphorus is essential for building bones. Eating cashews daily increases bone density and reduces the risk of diseases like osteoporosis. Section 8. All-rounder. The delicious journey of cashews. Cashew is one such dry fruit that can be eaten in many ways. It can be eaten raw, roasted, or salted. It is used in sweets, snacks, curries, and many other things. Cashew butter is also becoming very popular, which can be used in bread, smoothies, and other things. Section 9. Finally, cashews. The secret to good health. Cashew is tasty as well as very beneficial for health. The nutrients present in it keep the heart healthy, help in weight control, make bones strong, and keep us completely healthy. By including cashews in your daily diet, you can live a healthy and happy life.